Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Glomerulopathies, and we're looking at some very common conditions. So first we look at the primary glomerulonephritis in the world. The most common primary glomerulonephritis in the world will be the IgA nephropathy. So it is nothing but the IgA nephropathy. So this is the number one. And what is the secondary glomerulonephritis in the world? This will be the diabetic nephropathy. So it is the diabetic nephropathy. Then comes the nephrotic syndrome in adults. The nephrotic syndrome. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.